In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to take in order to make affiliate commissions on Warrior Plus. And it's going to be done and dusted in 5 minutes or under. Daddy Foo.
Daddy Foo, what you gonna do?
Warrior Plus affiliate commissions, Daddy Foo. Done and dusted in 5 minutes or under. Let's go. Number 1, get a Warrior Plus account. This is free, but to become a verified affiliate, you'll need to apply and spend a one-time fee of just $5. This will then enable you to promote any offer you want on Warrior Plus, subject to the individual vendor's approval. Number 2, go to muncheye.com. Scan through the offers and choose some that you like the look of. Pro tip: if it gets you excited, it's likely to get others excited. This is a good thing. Number 3, the offer. From Muncheye, click through to the JV page. Look for the JV doc. On the JV doc, look for info on the product, review access and bonuses. Add your bonus access links to a Google Doc, which is free. Click on Share, top right hand corner, and change general access from restricted to anyone with the link. Paste that link in your Warrior Plus account on the affiliate link page. Then copy your affiliate link and save that to a notepad. Number 4, your review. Create slides just as I have here using Google Slides, which is free. Copy and paste from the sales page to build a nice looking presentation with ease. Remember to sell the benefits of the product and sell your bonuses. Once your slides are ready, use ScreenPal to record your Google Slides presentation while you read out the content as a voiceover. Upload to YouTube with the title Product Name Review. Create an engaging thumbnail using Canva, which is free. In the description of the video, write Product Name Review and then add bonus qualifying link and paste your affiliate link. Add some keyword-rich content in the description, then set your video to public. If you have Facebook, Twitter, etc., drop a link to your video there too. Tip: if you don't like your own voice, use ElevenLabs for the best AI voices out there. Try it for free with my link in the description. For example, this is now my AI voice. Pretty cool, right? Number 5. How and why this works. Every day there are multiple launches on Muncheye, sometimes 10 or more. JVs and affiliates with big lists scan through looking for something to promote. They then mail their hundreds of thousands of email leads their affiliate link to the sales page. A certain number of these leads will wonder if there's a review and or bonuses for that product and will jump on YouTube. 99% of super affiliates don't upload video reviews to YouTube, so you will legally and ethically siphon off the traffic and convert it to sales. Warrior Plus affiliate commissions, Daddy Foo. Done and dusted in 5 or under. If you liked it, like it. Give me a thumbs up. And in the comments below, let me know what Daddy Foo you'd like me to make next. Did you know that sometimes up to 80% of the people that regularly watch my videos are unsubscribed? If that's you, then please go ahead and subscribe now. Click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and then you'll be notified when I upload more content.
Daddy Foo's a jive-talking king, strutting down the street like he owns everything. Got them bell-bottoms swaying, ooh, baby. He's the bad man, rocking so crazy. Daddy Foo, what you gonna do?